Okay, so today I want to introduce our new passkey option of signing in. You'll see a new option that says passkey, which can be used instead of a password. It's actually a lot faster because you don't need to enter a password, and you also don't need to use the multi-factor authentication, such as the code that gets emailed or the authenticator application. So type in your username to begin with. And then if you have a passkey set up and you click use passkey, it will work. But if you haven't set it up yet, then what you need to do is log in as normal and then go to settings users. So I'm going to do that since I have not yet set up a passkey here. So type in my password. And now we're going to go over to the settings and users and edit my user. In this section, select passkey and then click add passkey. Just enter your device PIN or however you get into your computer, your phone, such as a Face ID or fingerprint. Here, though, I'm using a PIN. I'll enter my PIN. And once it's been correctly entered, the passkey is saved. Now you can use this to sign into the system. So we'll click OK. And you can add multiple passkeys for different devices. So here, though, we've added it on our laptop, and so we have just one at the moment. Now, if I go to sign out and then sign back in, we'll try the passkey option. And then click use passkey. That takes a second, but it's going to pop up the box. And so here it's using the security from the hardware on your device. And that's why we don't need to save any sort of password. So type in that same PIN or your fingerprint or Face ID, and then just wait a second and that logs you in. And that's all there is really to that. So hopefully this is helpful to make the system a little bit less cumbersome to log into. And just let us know if any questions or anything about this, but otherwise, hopefully it's pretty straightforward.